You know what occurred to me today when I was out taking Lotus for a walk? I thought of something. Lotus hasn't been in my videos lately, except for just a couple shorts.
Her name is Lotus. It's Lotus.
So this video is focused on Lotus.
It's Lotus.
It's Lotus.
Dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for a dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for the dirty homeless scrub.
I don't know if you can notice or see, but Lotus is laying on the bed, all comfy like, and I'm gonna try to get a reaction. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some dog barking noises. She usually gets pretty active when she hears them outside. I gotta go for a skip ad first.
This beachfront verbo is about to become part of an unforgettable vacation.
I should have seen that coming.
The moment.
Nothing. What? What is it? Where's the dog? Is it right here? Is it right there? Where is it? Where is it? She's not talking. I expected to get a bark or something. Alright, let's try a different video. Funny dogs barking and howling. Oh. Oh. What's that? It's not on my lap. Okay. I didn't think that. Let's try this. Oh. She's looking right at the speaker. There's two of them, but she's choosing the right speaker. Oh, now she's looking at the monitor. There's a picture of the... She was looking at the... Where is it? Where... Alright, now there's one, where is it? Guaranteed to make your dog howl. I've never heard Lotus howl. Let's try this. Oh, it's a skip ad.
live TV from 85 plus channels with local
Alright,
news.
if it's
YouTube
gonna be a
TV,
skip
try
ad,
it
a
free.
non-skip ad, might as well be. Here we go. Wow, was that an ad or what? Come on. Oh, Joey. Oh. What is it? That didn't work. I want her to howl. I want her to howl. 10 sounds dog like and love to hear. Alright, that's different. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no. That's a tease. I don't want a teaser. I don't want a teaser. Okay. I don't have one of them. Sounds that make dogs' head tilt left and right. If it plays. Why do you gotta think so much? It kind of worked. It kind of worked. Sound experiment, dog whistle. Okay. Demonstrate 8 different frequencies. 1. She's sniffing at the door. Chasing flies. Nothing to these sounds. These sounds ain't working. Oh! Oh shit! These sounds ain't working. Oh shit! Okay. Wow! I think that was supposed to be a joke on us, huh? Holy shit, that hurt. Okay. I wanted her to howl. Let's refresh the search. Dog crying sound. Hold on, let's see how Lotus reacts to that.
Number 1. Dog crying in pain.
keeps looking under the desk where the speakers are.
Number 2. Dog crying over sadness.
That's way loud.
Number 3. Dog crying funny.
What? What is that? Alright, I don't want to tease her too much. She obviously got a reaction. Okay. This sound will make your dog's ears stand up. Oh, Lotus, over here, puppy. Sit. Sit. You want to sit down and watch this with me? Sit. Let's watch this. Alright, she's not really reacting too much, are you, puppies? You're not really reacting too much, huh? Sound to make puppies tilt head. This is a different one, but let's try it. Oh, it's loading. I'm guessing the echo effect is supposed to be doing it. Yeah. What, no reaction, doggy? Howl test. Sounds to make your dog howl. Sit. Sit.
Hi there, so will your dog howl? Well, I've looked it up on the internet and it says every dog can howl, but my little dog won't for some reason. I've tried everything on it. So what I've done is I've collected 6 different dog breeds howling, because the dog howl is a form of communication, so this could be a great test for your dog. I've got a Cocker Spaniel puppy to start with, then we've got a Foxhound, we've got a Jack Russell howling, we have
okay, never mind.
Howling,
Never mind. Yeah, looks like we're gonna be done with this here video. I just thought I'd try a doggy reaction. Lotus, you wanna come up here? Huh? Come up. What'd you think of the video? Huh? What did you think? Can I have kisses? Kisses? No? You're just excited? Huh? What? You wanna say peace because we're done? What did you think of the videos? Huh? What did you think of the sounds? Huh? What'd you think? Alright guys, we will see you in the next video. If you click right here, it's a link to her page, If you click right there, it's another Lotus video. Alrighty. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Kisses. Oh, thank you. Peace out.